wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best baking sprinkles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Good D Sugar-Free Rainbow is an alternative for diabetics and other people who are mindful of their simple carbohydrate intake. These derive their color from beetroot and vegetable juice powder. They're sweetened with erythritol and are suitable for a keto diet. However, you don't get very much per pack. At number 9, Fancy Sprinkles Prism Powder is a fine edible dust that adds shimmer to everything from baked goods to cocktails. You can choose from 12 jewel tones, including amethyst purple, Colombian emerald, and teal topaz. It's flavorless and textureless and made in the USA, but it is pricey for the size of the jar. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Wilton Valentine Decorating Set is a festive way to celebrate love and a shared sweet tooth. It offers 8 packages of holiday toppings in pink, red and white, including charming candy hearts in large and small sizes. It sticks well to frosting, and other combinations are also available. However, the bags don't reseal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking sprinkles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Olive Nation Pastel Quins deliver the crunchy texture typically associated with these treats, but offer a slight variation on the traditional color palette, with shades such as turquoise, deep purple, and lime green. They're available in 3 sizes and good for covering large areas. They suffer from minimal bleeding in most batters. Moving up our list to number 6. Made from vegetables and spices without soy, palm oil, or artificial dyes, the supernatural Into the Woods Decorate, Quin and Pearl Mix is a good choice for young children and people with certain allergies or restrictive diets. It comes in a winter forest theme with less than 3 grams of sugar per serving. It's also available in white sequins. Halfway up our list at number 5. Bob's Red Mill Decorative Sparkling Sugar adds a professional-looking finish to pies, scones, muffins, and more. Naturally sweet and crunchy, this option contains no added dyes or additional ingredients, and it's also vegan-friendly. It comes from an employee-owned company, and the crystals are highly polished. It's available in 16 and 24-ounce bags. At number 4, providing a substantial 2.2 pounds of classic Jimmy's, the Great Surprise Rainbow Topping is a smart choice for anyone who bakes often. This bulk option also comes in additional colors like red, pink, and blue. It's gluten-free and non-GMO with a soft and chewy texture. The container screws closed securely. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Wilton 710-4065 Nonpareils can add a bit of brightness to everything from donuts to ice cream and more. These tiny candy balls boast vibrant rainbow colors and hard-polished shells, and they're made by one of the most popular companies in baking. They're certified kosher and retain their integrity in the oven. They're also good for crafts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking sprinkles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made from ingredients like cocoa butter, dry whole milk, butterfat and vanilla, India Tree Chocolate Vermicelli is better than artificial options. Its rich flavor can be an excellent addition to breads, brownies and cappuccinos. It's got a 2-year shelf life and is free of any dyes. It also has no waxy residue. And coming in at number 1 on our list, adding a whimsical touch to treats is easy with Sweets Indeed Happy Unicorn Sparklefetti. This premium mix combines vibrant purple, blue, pink, and yellow Jimmy's and nonpareils with pearls, star confetti, and mythical character-shaped candies. It's nut and dairy free, and you get 16 half-ounce servings in a resealable bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking sprinkles, or simply click beneath this video.